That's a VL.
We're doing upgrades, so we got a turbo 400. That's gold, pure gold.
That's 24 carat.
24 carat.
Ooh, that right there is sexual. Yeah, it's got good flow.
It's a flow test.
Trigger kit.
As you can see, we didn't get it running. We're close. We've got spark. We've got some form of timing. It's Trent's problem now.
What's going on, guys? We're back again with PSI 30. Me and Jesse have busted our asses on it. If you haven't seen that, go back, watch that other video. But now, we're going to the dyno. We're gonna go make power. We couldn't get it started. Well, it did get it started, it just won't run right. Jesse doesn't know what fucking something angle, I don't know.
I'm a mechanic.
So we're gonna take it to Trent and he's gonna do it because he knows what he's doing. And then we're gonna make numbers. We're gonna make numbers on a screen with a graph. Lots.
A few numbers.
A few. There should be at least 3 digits.
Yeah, cool.
It might make 4 digits. I don't know. We'll get on down to Trent and either blow the car up or blow the dyno up. We'll see which one.
G'day there, are you enjoying this PSI 30 episode? Well, stay tuned, because shit's about to get hectic. If you do love the PSI 30 content, we are running a pre-order for new merch. It's on the screen now, here and here, PSI 30 merch. Check it out, it's pre-order only, keepreet.com, links in the description. Grab yourself some fresh merch. Hopefully we'll see you wearing it at an event soon. Anyway, let's get down to that dyno and put all the boost in that RB30.
Alright, we are down here. We made it. Check a tuning. Trent is in the hot seat right now. Trent will figure it out. Then we'll quickly run it up to temp, bleed all the coolant and everything. Probably jack it up and just run through the gears. Make sure all the autos all bled up and everything, because obviously not running the car, we can't do that. Yeah, we'll see how we go. And hopefully we can make 4 digits. I want 4. Even if it's horsepower, it's not bloody kilowatts. 4 will do for me. As you can see, Trent's kind of got it running. I don't think it wants to run by itself, but it's just playing around with things. Yeah, I don't know. I think this whole wasted spark setup that Jesse's had to do with this Autronic is just not an ideal setup. We may be better off just putting a bloody Haltech in it, I think. I don't know, I'll speak to Trent, see what he says. Oh, I hate that sound. Alright, so, bit sad. We can't do it.
Can't do it.
Trent got beat.
Got beaten. It's beaten me. So yeah, I can't make it work. I can get it running, but it doesn't run on 6. It's doing something weird, so I'm not sure if it's something to do with the...
But what did it just do? It drove onto the trailer, so that's a start. That's a start. I told Jesse, let's go wire in a Haltech and have it back here by 9 o'clock, and Trent will still tune it, so...
Yeah. Pressure's on.
What's the time now?
Pressure's
12,
on,
1 o'clock.
hours.
Got 7 hours, alright, well.
7 hours, go for it. Go.
Thanks, mate.
Go.
See you soon.
See ya.
Alright, let's get out of here. VL's back. What are you doing, Jesse? Upgrades.
We're about to see the world's fastest R3 wiring.
How many hours is it? Trent said get back by, I think it was 9 o'clock, and we can tune it. So it is 2:46 right now. Yeah. And Jesse's doing things. Yeah. Yeah. You reckon we'll make it? If we don't make the dyno, we're gonna lose the shop.
Alright, just about ready to try start it. We got the world's fastest Haltech R3 installation. As you could imagine, it's nothing but the finest workmanship down there. we'll deal with that later. But yeah, I've just gone through all the settings, configured everything. We had to change out the intake air temp sensor because couldn't find any calibration to work with the one that was in there. I had no idea what was in there. So we just threw in a Raceworks one, which we can calibrate very easily. Coolant temp sensor, doesn't seem to be reading quite right. Also don't know what that is. May have to replace that with one I can calibrate properly as well, but we're gonna see if we can fire her up. So we'll get the timing gun back out, we'll do some more popping and fighting and get this trigger stuff set up, and she's gonna purr. She's gonna purr like a kitten, because Haltech, yo. Purr.
It's gonna rumble like a f***ing lion, mate. You seen that exhaust?
Purr. Purr.
No.
Grab your bloody timing gun.
I'm gonna drag a toolbox over us up so I'm not standing in front of that.
Nah, it's alright. Alright. How do the fans turn on?
No. It's a tiny little red and brown wire that runs into this relay setup.
I found the fan wire. Let's connect that up.
I thought you said you were ready to start it, hey? I didn't have to push so hard.
Alright, you ready?
Alright, ready as I'll ever be. I'll block my ears or... I'm not getting any light.
No, I got no idea.
Oh, you gotta set all that shit up, don't you?
Got RPM.
You got RPM?
Yep.
That's good. I can't even see the marks.
Are you getting a light?
I'm getting a light, but I can't see the marks at all when it's flashing. Oh, fuck me! Oh, I'm getting earmuffs again. That shit scares the living shit out of me.
Still got an intake manifold?
Yeah.
I hope so.
Nice welds. They're holding in.
Yeah. Nah, couldn't see him again. We did it.
She's alive! Haltech, baby!
There you go. What do you reckon, Jackson? We did it.
She's alive! Time to get back to checking tuning.
Forgot about that part. Actually, no, we're gonna bleed the auto first. We'll do that now. We'll do that. Alright, as you've seen, things are all running, so we're all loaded up, ready to go. We're gonna send it back to back down to Trent, and he's gonna turn it up for us. Another late night in it, but you gotta do it. Alright, I'm here. Check a tuning, catch that in the door. Who's in? Made it further than before. We're actually in the dyno room this time, and that's a good start. Trent will obviously set everything up, and then we'll get into doing some cool shit, and hopefully make, I don't know, makes 1,000 horsepower. That'd be pretty killer. 4 digits, I want 4 digits. I think everyone else will be happy, but you know, 8-ish, but I want 4. Why not push the thing? Make it real quick. Now that we got the Haltech to support all that shit, let's go. Why not? Weapon. It's go time! numbers. The thing's a bit laggy, as to expect from a big old thing like that. Obviously, me and Jesse were in a bit of a rush, but we got the fans to cycle twice when we got it running, but it obviously wasn't enough, and it's, you know, sucked a bunch of coolant in and got a big air pocket, started pumping into pushing some into the overflow. Luckily I spotted that before we spilled it all over the ground, so now we're just giving it a quick bleed while it's all nice and warm. At least we know we've done a couple pulls, it's warm. I think we've got most of the air bubbles out now, so we'll just let it run for a little bit longer, cycle the fans a few times, get back out there and well, back in there I guess, and make some numbers. But let me see if there's a graph up here. She's a bit laggy. We really haven't put much into it. I don't think he's played the timing or anything yet. So we'll get some boost fed into it now that we've got some coolant in there. See what kind of powers it makes. But it's loud. It's very loud.
Must be making a bit more power. That last one, it hit injector cut.
Oh, really?
Do you have a hiccup?
Yeah, right, okay. So, this bucket here is the signs of a lifted head. Oh, a bit disappointed.
Yeah, didn't even get to put any boost in it, unfortunately. We were chasing a little bit of a misfire. Yeah, Corey noticed that it was slowly going up in the recovery reservoir, and I'd say it had lifted the head at some stage, and probably watering one of the cylinders. So
yeah.
Put it in a bucket, and it actually...
Pumped it in a bucket, watched it. It was just dribbling a little bit, and then the last one, like halfway through the run, it just gushed in there, and I went, nah, kill it, that's it. VL Nationals. I don't think we're going.
Can't say you didn't try.
Hey, we tried. What, a Haltech installed in 4 hours.
And the Haltech is running mint. Like,
it worked.
Seriously, it's doing everything. Next thing to do was to wind some boost into it.
Yeah,
so.
we were pretty much at that point. It's a bit laggy. Making what? 429 kilowatt.
How much power are you going to make them?
We want to make all of it.
All of it?
All of it. I wanted 4 digits. And what I've got is a head gasket failed. Yay, more work. Get the thing off the dyno and take it back to the factory, dragging me feet, because I'm not happy about that. I've done a lot of work in this last week to try and get it here, and just got my ass handed to me. I can't see shit. Oh, where's my sunnies? What's this? This is broken. Didn't last. What a dog. All of our time, all of our effort, head gasket, gone.
I completed a world record with the world's fastest Nexus R3 install, so Guinness Book of Records will be down here soon to give me the certificate.
Give you an award.
Shout out to Haltech for having the most easiest ECUs to work with.
VL for not having much to wire up.
Yeah. She loved it until she didn't.
Yeah.
Head gasket be gone!
Everything worked as it should, except for the head gasket.
Oh well, time to pull it apart, beef it up, might paint a few bits and pieces while it's apart, and head back to the dyno.
Pretty it up just a little bit. We'll have it complete this time when it goes to the dyno, not just enough to put it on the dyno.
Anyway,
but yeah,
that's it.
Tune in next time to see what we broke.
That's it. See ya.